Today we are going to try this kimchi-style bibimbap self-heating rice bowl. I found this at my Chinese grocery store and morbid curiosity took over, so now it's in my home. I imagine this would be super convenient if you were on a camping trip, or maybe you were still trapped in your bunker 6 months after the devastation following World War III. I've never experienced any of these self-heating cooking kits before. I must say I'm a little intimidated. Oh, the instructions are inside the label, and they're in Chinese and English. Oh, none of these have English on them, so it's anyone's guess as to what's inside. This is the self-heating pack. It is comforting to know that they did take the time to label the thing that isn't edible as inedible in English. This is what is inside the bowl. Add in this order: rice, water, I guess that's water, and vegetables. The fact that they supply you with your own drinkable water makes me think that this is for camping. This is not bad. It smells very sweet actually. Just gonna put this to the line. It's definitely, ooh. So I'm just gonna, We are back, and we learned the hard way that this is probably designed to be done outside. Based on the sensors, the air quality from my home went from good to very, very bad, which I hadn't seen since the Montreal forest fires. Luckily, with the help of a bunch of open doors and windows and a house fan, I was able to circulate the air within the house within a couple of minutes. So there's no harm there. But don't do this inside. This is definitely meant for picnics and camping. And now I'm just supposed to put the rest of this stuff in here. I'm thinking this is the gochujang, kimchi. I've seen worse. The rice is fluffy enough, like a minute rice situation that was steamed, but you know what? It's still, yeah. I would be the happiest person on the planet if you gave me one of these while I was stuck outside in the woods.